Guys, in this video we will see how to fix Roblox error code 267 on your Windows PC. If you are also facing Roblox error code having not opening your Roblox gaming app, then to your Google Chrome browser server status of Roblox. In search field type status.roblox.com, press enter and it will open globally server status. All system operational, you will find all your server related details, website, operational, mobile app, various creator and other. If any problem found, it will show here. So first check your Roblox server status on your system. The next workaround is right click on a start button, choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side, go to system. Thereafter go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of your network issues, so network and internet run the troubleshoot, and the second one troubleshoot is program compatibility troubleshooters. Run these two troubleshooters in your system. It will not only detect the issue but resolve them accordingly, and check whether your Roblox error code 267 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to your Google Chrome browser and here from the top right corner click on 3 vertical dot and choose settings. Here from the left side click on 3 horizontal lines from the top left corner and choose privacy and security, and clear your browser caches, history and cookies and site data. Click on delete browsing data. Here go to advanced tab and make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data and choose delete data. It will clear your browser caches and helpful to resolve Roblox error code. And check whether your Roblox error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows settings. Here from the left side of setting page, go to network and internet, go to VPN from the right side, and if you have any VPN connection added to your system, simply disable it. Click on it and allow VPN over metered connection, allow VPN while roaming. Disable this feature, and any one of VPN connection if you have added, simply select it and remove it. And check whether your Roblox error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here go to the section Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. From the left side click on allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. Allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. Here look for the option Roblox and make sure that both the option under private and public network duly checked. If you found it unchecked, then simply click on change setting from the top right corner and make the check against both the options. After that, click on OK to save the changes. And check whether your Roblox error code resolved or not. If not, go to on the next same page, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall, your antivirus under private network as well as public network. Your problem will definitely be resolved, and after that you don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall in your system.